Turmeric versus ginger. The truth about which one actually works better. What if I told you that one of these two golden spices sitting in your kitchen right now could be silently sabotaging your health while the other holds the key to transforming your life? The shocking truth is that millions of people are choosing the wrong one every single day, and it's costing them their energy, their pain-free joints, and potentially years of their life. But by the end of this revelation, you'll know exactly which one deserves a permanent place in your daily routine and which one you might want to reconsider entirely. If you're ready to discover which spice is actually worth your time and money, hit that like button right now, and let's dive into this eye-opening investigation. For centuries, both turmeric and ginger have been revered as miracle healers in ancient medicine systems across Asia and India. These vibrant golden roots have built legendary reputations for their supposed healing powers, promising everything from pain relief to disease prevention. But here's what the spice companies and supplement manufacturers don't want you to know. When modern science put these ancient claims to the ultimate test, the results were absolutely shocking. Let me paint you a picture of what's really happening inside your body when you consume these spices. Imagine your bloodstream as a battlefield where inflammation runs rampant, attacking your joints, your organs, and your very DNA. This invisible enemy is linked to everything from arthritis and heart disease to cancer and premature aging. Now, both turmeric and ginger claim to be your ultimate warriors in this fight, but only one of them actually shows up to battle with the weapons that matter. The active compound in turmeric, called curcumin, has been studied in over 3,000 clinical trials. That's more research than most prescription medications receive. Scientists have discovered that curcumin doesn't just reduce inflammation, it actually blocks multiple inflammatory pathways simultaneously, like closing down entire enemy supply routes in that battlefield I described. But here's where it gets interesting, and frankly, a little disturbing. The curcumin in regular turmeric powder that you sprinkle on your food is virtually useless to your body. Your digestive system treats curcumin like an unwanted intruder. It breaks it down and eliminates it so quickly that almost none of it reaches your bloodstream where it could actually help you. It's like having the most powerful medicine in the world, but your body throws it away before it can work. This is why you can consume turmeric for months and feel absolutely no difference. You're not imagining it, and you're not doing anything wrong. The problem is bioavailability, and it's been fooling people for decades. Meanwhile, ginger contains compounds called gingerols, and here's where the plot thickens dramatically. These gingerols are absorbed much more efficiently by your body, which means they actually reach the places where inflammation is causing damage. Studies have shown that ginger can reduce muscle pain by up to 25% and significantly decrease nausea and digestive issues. But that's just scratching the surface of what makes this comparison so crucial for your health. Recent groundbreaking research from major universities has revealed something that will change how you think about these spices forever. When researchers compared the anti-inflammatory effects of equal amounts of turmeric and ginger in human subjects, they discovered that ginger consistently outperformed turmeric in real-world effectiveness. Not because ginger is necessarily more potent, but because your body can actually use it. Think about this for a moment. You've probably been told that turmeric is the golden miracle spice, the cure-all that ancient wisdom has passed down through generations. You might have even started adding it to your smoothies, your cooking, or taking turmeric supplements based on all the hype. But what if that golden promise has been built on a fundamental misunderstanding of how your body actually processes these compounds? The pharmaceutical industry has caught on to this bioavailability problem, which is why you'll now see turmeric supplements combined with black pepper extract or formulated with special delivery systems. These modifications can increase absorption by up to 2,000%. But even then, you're dealing with a modified, processed version that's far removed from the natural spice our ancestors used. Ginger, on the other hand, works exactly as nature intended. When you consume fresh ginger, dried ginger powder, or even crystallized ginger, your body recognizes and absorbs those beneficial gingerols efficiently. This is why ginger has such a long track record of providing immediate, noticeable relief for everything from motion sickness to inflammatory pain. But the story gets even more compelling when we look at the specific health benefits where these spices excel. For digestive issues, ginger is the undisputed champion. It increases gastric motility, reduces nausea, and can even help prevent stomach ulcers. Turmeric, while beneficial for the liver and gallbladder, can actually cause digestive upset in some people, especially when taken on an empty stomach. For joint pain and arthritis, This is where the bioavailability issue becomes critical. Multiple studies have shown that people taking ginger supplements experience significant reduction in knee pain and improved mobility within weeks. The turmeric studies showing similar benefits typically used highly concentrated, specially formulated extracts that bear little resemblance to the turmeric powder you'd use in cooking. Before I reveal the final verdict on which spice truly wins this battle, I need to ask you something. Are you finding this information as shocking as I did when I first discovered it? If you're learning something new that could change your health routine, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. I research these health topics so you don't have to wade through conflicting information, and your support helps me bring you more eye-opening content like this. Cardiovascular health presents another fascinating comparison. Both spices have heart protective properties, but they work through different mechanisms. Ginger improves circulation and has blood-thinning properties that can help prevent clots. Turmeric works more on reducing the inflammatory processes that lead to arterial damage. However, ginger's superior absorption means these cardiovascular benefits are more likely to manifest in your daily experience. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. If turmeric has such poor bioavailability, why has it become so popular in the health and wellness space? The answer lies in laboratory studies versus real-world application. When researchers study curcumin in test tubes or inject it directly into animal subjects, it shows remarkable anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These dramatic laboratory results make headlines and drive consumer interest. But translating those results to humans consuming turmeric in normal ways tells a completely different story. The supplement industry has built a multi-billion-dollar market around turmeric and curcumin, often making claims based on those impressive laboratory studies while downplaying the absorption problems. Meanwhile, ginger, which actually delivers on its promises in the form you can easily obtain and use, doesn't generate the same marketing excitement because it works quietly and effectively without the need for special formulations or processing. Here's what this means for your daily health routine. If you're looking for immediate, noticeable benefits for inflammation, digestion, or pain relief, ginger should be your first choice. Fresh ginger root can be grated into teas, smoothies, or cooking. Dried ginger powder works well in baking and can be mixed into warm milk or water. Even ginger capsules provide reliable absorption of active compounds. If you're committed to using turmeric, you need to be strategic about it. Combine it with black pepper and a healthy fat like coconut oil to enhance absorption. Consider fermented turmeric products or high-quality curcumin supplements with proven bioavailability enhancement. But understand that you're working against your body's natural processing of this compound. The ultimate revelation here isn't that turmeric is bad or that ginger is perfect. It's that effectiveness in your body is what matters, not just the theoretical potential of a compound. Ginger consistently delivers on its health promises because your body can actually use what ginger provides. Turmeric has tremendous potential, but only when properly formulated and consumed in ways that overcome its natural absorption barriers. So the winner in this battle is clear. Ginger takes the crown for most people seeking real, noticeable health benefits from their spice choices. Its superior bioavailability means you'll actually feel the anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, rather than just hoping they're working behind the scenes. Now I want to hear from you. Which spice have you been using, and are you surprised by these findings? Drop a comment below and let me know if you're going to make the switch to ginger or if you're sticking with enhanced turmeric formulations. Your experiences could help other viewers make the best choice for their health. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the turmeric versus ginger debate. I hope this information helps you make more informed decisions about your health routine. Don't forget to like this video if it opened your eyes to something new, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll explore another health topic that might surprise you. Until then, take care and bye.